Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of online. No, not online. I'm actually there. Facilities maintenance.
So if you ever come into work on a Monday morning and your phone, text, and emails are blowing up because people are complaining about this loud, annoying noise that they just don't know where it's coming from because it sounds like it's coming from everywhere, let me give you a pro tip.
It's not coming from the taps themselves. It's not the toilet. It's not the urinals. It's not up in the ceiling. However, this faucet is not working. So the power went out over the weekend, and this is one of those things that can happen when the power goes out. Things get disrupted.
Yeah, it was worth a try.
Now, I'll open it up.
So what happens is that these auto-sensing taps can be powered with a battery,
or they can be hardwired.
In this case, these ones were meant to be powered with a 9-volt battery, and a little transformer was put in there and connected to where the battery would otherwise go. And I think what happens over time is that corrosion builds up in between the contacts and just lessens its effectiveness. And if the circuit isn't broken, in other words, if there's constant power to it, it works. But over the weekend we had a power outage. Power drops off and it loses energy for a while, and it kind of loses that stream of connection. And then when the power comes back on, it senses that there's power there, but there's not enough voltage to actually get the tap working again, and it goes into alarm. And so if you have this type of a tap in your facility and you hear this annoying screaming noise that sounds like it's coming from everywhere, this is most likely where it's going to be coming from.
But sitting here now, can you hear that? If you listen past the ball bouncing and kids' voices, it's also doing it in the other washroom. But the complaint was from this one, so after I put this back together, I'll head to the other washroom. Okay, we're back together. And we have water again.
And in case you didn't catch it, all I needed to do to correct the issue was to simply unplug it, give the contacts a bit of a wipe, and plug it back in again. And then everyone was happy.
So it's this one here. And then just double check it to make sure it's working again. And it is. So we can call it a day. Well, a job, because there's still a whole day ahead of us.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.